Hello everyone, this is Ms. Gutself speaking, and in this video, we are going to look at file feature number 9, moving items in the Google Docs series. With that being said, let's begin. So, in my sample Google document, if I want to move it to another folder while still working in the document, I have a few different options. The first is I can left click on File and scroll down to Move To. I can then left click on that selection and I can move the file in my Google Drive without leaving the Google Doc. I could move the file by clicking on the file I want it to go to. I could even create a brand new folder to put it in after I type in the name. And then after I create the folder, I could move it there. Or if I didn't want to go into the file selection, I can also move items in my Google Drive from this little icon right up here, which says Move To. In the exact same choice menu will appear. And so that is how one can move their Google documents within their Google Drive without even leaving the Google Doc. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video helped you grow in your knowledge of technology.